Solo Kings, the music ambassador. Ebruke, the timber master. And Urhobo, the best mathematician. Listen, over to my sister Elizabeth Opa. I want you to join me as you praise God with me as the Spirit leads you. The choice you make determines your chance, and the chance you have is a reflection of the choice you made. When God says yes, nobody can say no. Jesus upon my head, in the shoes of my feet. When we're Kobiruo, after we're Kobiruo, all the world can be your attitude is the eye of your soul. Listen, if your attitude is negative, you see things negatively. But if positive, you see things positively.
butter my bread. He no sugar my drink. Wewe Kobiruo, Wewe Kobiruo. Ari mabaka biyeruwe.
Urhobo. Mr. and Mrs. Odokru. Daddy, the Lord who watches over you and family, neither slumber nor sleep. Wewe. When God says yes, nobody can say no. Hey,
Jesus the butter my bread. He no sugar my drink. Wewe Kobiruo,
hey,
Wewe Kobiruo. Ari mabaka
Wewe. Stop believing the doctor's report and start believing the report of God. Wewe, yeah? Abona, binona. Abona. Decide for yourself, learn for yourself, and answer for yourself. When God says yes, nobody can say no. Hey,
Jesus the butter my bread. He no sugar my drink. Wewe Kobiruo,
hey,
Wewe Kobiruo.
are you singing?
Ari mabaka biyeruwe.
Mr. and Mrs. Jonathan Ghana. My guy, Isaiah 54:17 is your portion.
Wewe Kobiruo, Wewe Kobiruo.
Hey!
Ari mabaka biyeruwe.